The 2009 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, airbags, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, front, power steering, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.